High-precision 3D scanner manufacturer 3DMAKERPRO has launched its newest 3D scanner, the Seal. Set to be available on Indiegogo from the 29th of August, the Seal 3D scanner offers supreme accuracy and resolution, whilst being compact and easy to use. Close-up of the Seal 3D scanner. Photo via 3DMAKERPRO. Key to the 3DMAKERPRO Seal is its supreme detail capture, with the 3D scanner boasting an impressively high accuracy of 0.01 mm and 0.05 mm resolution. As a result, the Seal offers up to 5x the resolution of comparable scanners, enabling users to achieve highly detailed model scans with ease. Moreover, the Seal employs anti-shake optical lenses, allowing for better results and a more stable scanning experience. The included Smart Grip gimbal provides users with a completely free environment during scanning. The gimbal's scan distance indicator allows users to easily adjust their scan range, whilst the one-click scan button can be used to quickly start and finish a scan. What's more, the Smart Grip includes a 10,000 mAh lithium battery which allows for 240 minutes of continuous scanning when fully charged, or approximately 100 3D scan sessions. The Seal 3D scanner and Smart Grip gimbal. Photo via 3DMAKERPRO. The Seal's 24-bit high-definition color texture camera incorporates a high-quality CMOS image sensor. This camera allows users to capture objects with high accuracy, boasting 16,777,216 colors for lifelike model texture scanning. The Seal is also notable for its compact size. Measuring just 110*60*35 mm, the Seal is easy to transport, allowing users to 3D scan anywhere they wish, even under bright sunlight. The Seal weighs just 200 grams, whilst the Seal Lite comes in at just 190 grams, making this offering ideal for 3D scanning on the go. The Seal is also an especially quiet scanner, possessing excellent heat dissipation and no fan noise for a smooth and quiet 3D scanning experience. The Seal is an extremely compact 3D scanner, measuring just 110*60*35 mm. Photo via 3DMAKERPRO. 3DMAKERPRO's new 3D scanner also employs a blue light when 3D scanning, rather than the traditional LED or near light sources. The blue light possesses a shorter wavelength of 400 to 500 nanometers, and can ultimately produce more precise structured light than its counterparts. This structured light facilitates higher scanning accuracy and image resolution, allowing for the capture of tiny concavities, textures, and edges. The Seal and Seal Lite 3D scanner. Image via 3DMAKERPRO. AI visual tracking is also incorporated into the Seal 3D scanner. Therefore, no markers are needed when 3D scanning, allowing the user to easily target the desired object. The Seal also offers multiple 3D scanning modes, including turntable mode, handheld mode, and a combined turntable plus handheld mode. 3DMAKERPRO offers a professional-grade multi-axis turntable optimized for use with the Seal 3D scanner. This turntable intelligently completes multi-angle model scanning, allowing users to easily improve the quality of their 3D scans. Indeed, the turntable possesses a 90-degree swivel arms for complete three-sided scanning. A customizable fixture is also added, allowing users to install a DIY fixture, or use compatible parts to secure objects from 10,100 mm in size. The turntable also incorporates Bluetooth connectivity, and can sync with JM Studio for seamless interaction with the Seal. 3DMAKERPRO's rookie-friendly JM Studio software is especially easy to use, and provides detailed guides for new users. The software is also continuously updating, allowing users to perform each operation quickly and easily, making it a true time saver. The scanning process and JM Studio software. Video via 3DMAKERPRO. Ultimately, the 3DMAKERPRO Seal 3D scanner's high resolution and accuracy make it ideal for 3D scanning miniature models and parts. The scans can then be converted for high-quality, accurate 3D printing. Established as an overseas brand of Shenzhen Jimuida Technology Company, Limited in 2015, 3DMAKERPRO is a 3D scanning specialist, producing professional-grade cost-effective 3D scanners. Employing a team of over 100 R&D specialists, and having spent over $30 million in research and development, 3DMaker Pro has independently developed a number of industry-leading software algorithms. These include the multispectral projection system, the visual tracking and no marking registration algorithm, and the automatic model processing algorithm.